Well, that wrestling mentality, man, I tell everybody, like Chris Weidman, Ali Aquinta, it's
Yep.
not a surprise at all that they're successful. And I feel like just that hard work and that discipline and that dedication, just that wrestler grind, man, like just to get up and
Yep.
get after it, that
Yep.
translates so well into real estate, probably into any business, right?
Wrestling is it's strategic, but it's fifth gear all the time. Like it's go, go, go. If you translate wrestling over to jujitsu, it's like the guy who's grinding and hustling, and he feels like the hustle is the destination. And then you go to jujitsu and everything kind of slows down and it's a little bit more strategic. There's a different approach to the strategy and the thought to jujitsu. Like you realize, you wake up one day and you realize, oh, the hustle isn't the destination. The hustle is a season. I've got to hustle to a new position, and then I got to slow down, and I've got to use leverage, and I've got to use strategy, and I've got to use pressure. Like that's what business is like. A lot of times people start in business and it's fifth gear all the time. There's kind of a badge of honor that they wear for the hustle, right? And then all of a sudden, at some point, they either burn out or they realize, wait a minute, hustle is just this season. Let's evolve beyond the hustle and let's start to do things strategically, smart. Let's work less and get more.